Hi friends, today I'm going to use this beautiful palette by MAC. It is from the Art Library collection and it's in the variant It's Designer. First of all, I'm applying white base, which is Milk Pencil by NYX Cosmetics. I absolutely love this pencil. Now I'm using Wet n Wild's flat eyeshadow brush and taking the orange eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow, and applying it on my outer V. How pigmented is this eyeshadow? Pretty blendable, and I did not face any kind of fallout per se. I have already applied pink eyeshadow, and now I'm applying green eyeshadow, and now I'm applying yellow eyeshadow. They is this color story that I was going out for, a punchy summer vibrant eye look, and I think these eyeshadows are pretty good and vibrant indeed. These are the brushes that I used, and I cleaned the edges of my eyeshadow, and this is how we are looking right now. Now I'm applying mascara. This is again my holy grail mascara by Essence Cosmetics, and now I'm applying kajal by Anaika, and now I'm applying Essence Cosmetics LV eye pencil, and topping it up with the silver metallic eyeshadow from the MAC palette. And this is how we are looking. I think this is really good. I'm really happy the way this eye look turned out. It is looking so beautiful in my eyes. I created this kind of look after such a long time. I'm truly satisfied, and I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you. You can catch up with me on my YouTube channel if you like such kind of videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. It will be really helpful, and thanks for supporting. Bye bye.